Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Mailchimp audiences and preserve campaign analytics. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw from Mailchimp audiences while preserving your campaign analytics, follow these simple steps. Log in to your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Audience tab on the dashboard. Select the audience you want to withdraw from. Click on Manage Audience in the submenu. Choose Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Audience Name and Defaults section. Take note of any relevant information you may need later. Now, go back to the main audience screen. Click on the Export Audience option. Choose your preferred export format, usually CSV, and download the file. Once you have the export, proceed to the Contacts tab. Select the contacts you wish to withdraw. Click on the Actions drop-down menu. Choose Permanently Delete. Confirm the deletion of the selected contacts. Keep in mind that this action cannot be undone. Now, navigate back to the Campaigns tab to assess your analytics. Locate the campaigns you wish to review. You will still have access to the analytics for those campaigns. Download any reports you might need for your records. Finally, ensure all necessary data is saved before considering further actions. You have successfully withdrawn from a Mailchimp audience while preserving your campaign analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.